Hi, my name is Door. I'm from the Kalimba channel and I have some tips for you to practicing your instrument. My instrument this year is Kalimba and I'm a percussion player. I also play piano and drum set. I found some really useful tips for you to practice. I think it can help you. First tip, uh, bring your instrument at a place where you want to play. Is it your bedroom? Is it your kitchen? I don't know, but a place where you come every day and where you always think, hey, wow, there's my instrument, there's my kalimba, there's my piano, and don't put it too far away because when you don't see it, you have to make good choice to go there. So find a place where you want to play. Tip two: find a daily routine when you want to play. So maybe it's just before you go to bed that you put 10 minutes before after you brush your teeth you go to your bed. That moment, or just before eating, or just after dinner, or in the morning. But make it one daily moment that always work for you. So that you have a daily reminder. Oh, I have to practice. The third tip: find people, and I don't mean online, maybe online also, but find people who are also interested and are better than you. So find the best piano player, find the best bass player. It don't matter which instrument, but find people who are better than you and that you can. And I hope that they want to help you to give you good information. There's a lot online of information that can't help you, but when you have good friends who are better on you, then you uh, trust them and, and take them with you. Tip 4: make some goals. Like it can be small, but make like I want to make a new video in 2 weeks, or I want to have a little concert for my grandparents in a month, and I want to play that song and that song, or just I want to play that song in that tempo. So make goals for yourself and write it down so you can so you still will remember. Sometimes I make goals and I don't have in my mind, but a month later I see the list and I say, oh wow, I did it. So sometimes it's just enough to write it down and stick on it. Tip 5: when you practice it slow, and slower than you think what slow is. Just too slow. Your fingers they need more time than your brains to remember what you're practicing. Sometimes you see it and your brains know, I have to play it like that, but your fingers they have to still remember it. A runner also have to train. They know I have to run as fast as you can on the mountain, but when you are practicing, it's the same stuff. You know what you have to play, but playing is totally different. So take your time and practice slow, and when you practice slow enough, long time, you can play it faster than when you practice it fast. Tip 3: don't only practice songs. It's funny to play songs. It works good because uh, when you can play a song, you have a melody and rhythm, and you know what. It's nice to have one thing that you can play, but also try exercises and techniques. When you practice songs, you at the end of the road you have 10 songs that you can play, but when you have techniques, you can use every time when you play another song, you can use them, and it will help you as a musician to play better, to sound better, and your fingers know what they have to do. You don't have to play. it, you don't need to make music. When you feel it, I want to do it, and I have my goals. Okay, go for it, and it's great, but don't make it a war with yourself. Like, oh, I have to I have to practice, I have to practice, I have to play, and be panicking on it. No, it's fun. It's making music, and the best musicians are the people who speak with their heart, and they play when they feel, and they play with that feel. So it's, of course, how more you play, the better you get. But we all don't have to be all the best musicians in the world. And, but be happy with when you play. And okay, sometimes it can be stressful, and you have a concert or a recording, but make it fun as much as possible. You will enjoy it more. Tip 7, when you see online there is a lot of also good stuff with different notations, and every instrument got their different notations, but I love the standard music notation because every instrument in the world have that notation. So when I can read a flute sheet, I can also play it on my kalimba, or when I write down a rhythm on percussion, I can give it also to your piano player, like, oh, I want to have a music, I want to play a song with this rhythm, and they can understand it. It's really standard, and it needs some time for us to learn it, but when you can read it, it will be really helpful. I will give some tutorials, and I will send a link then. Tip 8, enjoy it. Enjoy making music. It's some great stuff, and I want to hear from you. What are you playing? What you are studying? And be a good musician, and be as good as a person as that you can be as a musician.